Hey guys, got a 2022 plate BMW 118 here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to use a screen in the centre of the dash and the dials down here in the centre console. Now from here, we're going to scroll down to car, clicking OK. Then go down to settings, clicking the dial, then general settings, then date and time. Now from here you can click it on to automatic time setting, so it does it by itself, or untick the box and you can do it manually, so you can go into, there we go, you can adjust the hours, and once you've done that, click on the dial and adjust the minutes, then clicking again and then finally press OK. Or you want to adjust the date, same again, click on the date, adjust it there, pressing the dial when you've got what you want, then OK, and that's saved. Or just go automatic, and that's it.